NBC29 forecast.
Well, another nice November day. Yeah, cold start this morning. Lots of us started the morning well down in the 30s as anticipated, even some upper 20s for some. Currently at the airport, we check in at 53 degrees, made it up to a high of 62. Temperatures were similar to where they were on Tuesday. 47 is the current reading at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave. You were 27 there for a start early this morning. Some other numbers at this hour. We've got 49 in Madison, 50 there in Palmyra, 54 in Livingston, 48 in Waynesboro, and 47 currently in Stanton. Temperatures tonight not quite as cold. We'll have more clouds building in, generally in the upper 30s to low 40s across the region. So again, near average. Our average overnight low is around 40 here across central Virginia. Temperatures here for Thursday will basically top out in the mid 60s east of the Blue Ridge with some lower 60s in the Shenandoah Valley. Now the clouds thicken up in association with Nicole, which is now a hurricane. It will make landfall late tonight and very early on Thursday along the east coast of Florida. But those clouds are going to get in here in a hurry, but we're dry here for Thursday. Action is all centered on Friday, and this will be a pretty quick hit in terms of its movement as it basically is absorbed by an approaching cold front. So temperatures here on Friday in the upper 60s to around 70, rain likely heavy at times, and we do have potential for isolated severe weather as well. The good news is the weekend should shape up nicely. It'll be breezy here on Saturday, still mild, then the chillier air rolls in on Sunday. So right now our headlines include rain heavy at times on Friday. There may be some breaks in the action, but with the circulation center passing into the Commonwealth of Virginia, generally east of that center of circulation track, a quick spin up tornado cannot be ruled out. Rain right now generally between 1 and 3 inches with some locally higher amounts along the Blue Ridge. Basically that purple shaded area is about 1 to 3. That's the American GFS model. European model's much the same. Now it's been dry for a while, but if the rain comes down too heavy, certainly we can have some isolated flooding issues, and so do be mindful of your situation since it's going to be dry tomorrow. If you can, maybe check the storm drains or your downspouts near your home. I mentioned the severe threat, marginal risk highlighted across much of Virginia. That could change to a slight risk, especially farther east as we go into later tomorrow with an upgrade. But again, an isolated quick spin up tornado cannot be ruled out with some of those rain bands that will materialize on Friday. So we're quiet here tonight. A large area of high pressure extends down from eastern New England all the way into the mid-Atlantic and the southeast. And then this is Nicole. It continues to move over the Grand Bahama Island. It is now with winds of 75 miles an hour. Of course, Florida already being impacted, well out ahead of the center of circulation. And of course, there are many hazards here. So again, late tonight, early tomorrow morning, it makes its landfall. Right now, it's just over 100 miles to the east of West Palm Beach, Florida, heads up toward the Tampa area, and then will start to accelerate, but then lose its tropical characteristics. It gets absorbed with the front, and that rain is like shooting up the eastern seaboard. So everyone gets wet from Florida to Maine. Temperatures in the morning, 30s and 40s. The clouds thicken up throughout the day, but we're dry. It'll become more humid. And then here we are Friday. Here we go. Bands of rain, and some of that will be heavy at times. And then there will be the potential of maybe a quick spin-up severe storm that could produce an isolated tornado taking us into late Friday night. Temperatures here for this night, upper 30s to lower 40s. As we take a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast, again, a quiet day tomorrow. The clouds thicken up. Get anything done you need to in terms of checking storm drains and the like for the leaf litter that's out there. But Friday, again, a wet day. It will be breezy. A severe element is there, but clearing out for the weekend and much chillier numbers as we move into the latter half of the weekend and next week.
Thank you, Eric.
Thank you so much. We will be right back.